Hey, I'm Milo. This is just a quick anniversary video for Fysetc. They're celebrating their 10-year anniversary this year, and they sent me some swag. They sent me this cool bag. Definitely going to keep the camera in there. And in there we've got a load of embroidered stickers. Those are pretty cool. And these cool little rulers. These are printed PCBs. They have GPIO connectors, a ruler, measuring gauges, voltages, and some clipper calculations and macros there. That can be very useful. Discount code. I don't need that. Anybody? Some more stickers. A really cool notebook. That's really nice. Pen matches the notebook. Pretty cool. And finally, a really cool jacket. Give that a try. Nice sun jacket. Not sure how useful that'll be in the UK. The kit also included a little USB fan. It's pretty cool. Rechargeable fan that needs recharging. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for supporting the channel, Fysetc, and here's to another 10 years. Happy birthday.